You won't recognize yourself in 30 days. Not because life suddenly becomes easier, but because you finally decide to stop living the same day over and over again. Right now, your future is being built by what you do today. And if you are honest, most of your days look the same. You wake up tired, you check your phone before your mind is even awake, you delay important work, you tell yourself you will start tomorrow. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into years, and slowly, without noticing, you become someone you never planned to be. You are not lazy, you are distracted, you are comfortable, and comfort is dangerous because it feels safe while it quietly destroys your potential. At some point, you have to stop blaming motivation, circumstances, or bad luck. Your life changes the moment you accept one truth: no one is coming to fix you. The version of you that you admire, the disciplined, confident, focused man, he is built through habits, small actions repeated when you don't feel like doing them. The first habit is waking up with intention. Stop negotiating with your alarm. When you wake up, get up immediately. Winning the first battle of the day changes your mindset. The second habit is controlling your attention. Your phone steals hours from your life every single day. Limit it. Protect your focus like your future depends on it, because it does. The third habit is daily movement. Train your body even when you feel tired. Physical discipline builds mental strength. Every workout teaches your brain that quitting is not an option. The fourth habit is doing hard things first. Stop avoiding discomfort. The task you delay the most is usually the one that will move your life forward. Face it early. The fifth habit is learning every day. Read, study, improve one skill. Growth compounds quietly but powerfully. 30 minutes a day can separate you from who you used to be. The sixth habit is keeping promises to yourself. This is the most important one. Every time you say you will do something, do it. Self-respect is built through action, not thoughts. At first, nothing feels different. You will still feel resistance. You will still doubt yourself. But something begins to change. Your posture improves. Your thoughts become sharper. Your confidence stops depending on opinions. After weeks of consistency, people notice, not because you talk differently, but because you move differently. You become calmer, more focused, harder to distract, harder to break. And one day you look back and realize the old version of you is gone. 30 days from now will arrive no matter what. The question is simple: will you still be the same person or someone unrecognizable? Start today, not next week, not when you feel ready. Wake up tomorrow and act like your life depends on it, because it does.